Hey, today we have a new camera. It's the KODAK PixPro WP waterproof C2. It's a digital camera. It's just a cute little rugged camera, and I think it'll be fun for some of the situations that Rick and I get into with our cameras. Sometimes there's a good use for the waterproof part of it, but there's always time for a fun camera. So let's see what it looks like. I'll unbox it with you and we'll look at it for the first time together. I'm figuring the KODAK is a reliable camera, and this price range should be a good camera too. PixPro. Have you ever heard of that one? Well, before we start in all the details, there's a warranty and all that jazz and plenty of directions. But let's see what it looks like. I had the choice of a color and I chose blue. So let's see how the color looks. All right, that's a really great shade of blue. It looks very sporty, I think. It has a larger than normal screen on the back, and it has lots of features. So let's move that to the side, see what else is in the box before we get started. All right. There's also a great set of directions here telling about all the features. In that little box we'll find a plug to an outlet. We'll find a strap that you attach to put it around your wrist. We have a battery to be charged, and we have a cord. This is a really sporty looking camera, KODAK PixPro WPZ2. Let me point out some of the features here that are listed in our instruction manual. First of all, on the side is a little strap holder. Where you see the tag hanging now, that's where you can attach your strap to hold it around your wrist. Number 2, here is a shutter button. Right here, that's a shutter button. The power button is number 3, which is over from it just a bit. All of these are right on the top where you typically find them with a little camera like this. Number 4 is right on the corner of the screen when you have it turned on. It's called an AF assist beam, or a timer, self-timer lamp. Number 5 is the speaker. You'll see right on the top there's a couple holes. That's for the speaker. Uh-oh. And number 6 on the front is the microphone. You'll see that right off to the side. Number 7 is the flash lamp. Number 8 is the lens, of course, right in the center. Number 9 is the mode button. The mode button is right here in the back where it says mode. Can you see that? Number 10 is the zoom button. Number 10 is right here. That is the zoom button. Number 11, you see a little light hole there. That's an indicator lamp. Number 12 is the quick video recording button. That's right here, the red dot. Number 13 is display button or arrow button for up. And that you'll find down in this circle. Display. Number 14 is the flash button for right. It's here. Number 15 is the set button in the middle where it says set. Number 16, delete button, self-timer button or arrow button down. That's down here. See the little trash can? That's a delete. Most of these are self-explanatory. Number 17 is the playback button, and that's down here. Playback. And number 18 is the menu button, which is right beside it. Looks like a menu. Number 19 is the battery cover door. Okay, now we're getting to the bottom. Right here. Number 20, battery cover door open toggle switch. And 21, right next to it, is the lock. Number 22 is the macro button, the arrow button left. Oh, back to this side. That's the arrow button to the left. 23 is the LCD screen. 24 is the tripod socket. And that's right here where you can fit that camera right onto your tripod. 25 is inside the door where you'll find the micro SD port and the micro SD card slot. Okay, those are pretty standard instructions for how to get a camera to work. I think we could read a lot of the details, we could get a little more specific, but this pretty much would get you off the ground, I think. Now, if we were going to open this door here that we looked at, it has a lock, and it has a little lock and an opening. And I think we can open that door right up. And inside is where we can fit the battery. You can see a little yellow clip in there. You can see a little yellow clip in there perhaps. And you can see which way the battery actually fits. Let's see if we snap it in. I didn't charge it or anything, but let's see if it has a little juice in it. Okay, we're going to snap it in behind the little yellow block. Okay, and that fastens it in. Now here's where you put your card. There's no card in it, but let's just see if we can turn it on. Close the door, press this on button, and we have a screen. And now we can see through the lens, and of course I can zoom in, I can zoom out, and I can take a picture, but I can't record it because I don't have a card in the camera. So that's how it looks in my hand. I like the way it feels. It's kind of lightweight and easy to maneuver. You can switch. You can switch from putting it in your pocket, hanging it on the back of your bike rack, or putting it in your purse or backpack. I think it's a really cool color. And I'm sure you'll get to see Rick and I using this camera quite a bit on making our quick videos and taking some beautiful pictures on our bike trails and different places that we go. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like, how it comes out of the box. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video.